Welcome back, time travelers. Today we dive into a sneeze that almost toppled an empire, and yes, it happened in 17th century Europe. The story centers on a palace sneeze that set off a chain reaction from the royal chambers to the war room and beyond. The coughing king blamed a court jester for poisoning the air, while the pharmacist swore it was just pepper powder. Suddenly, a treaty was delayed, a host of ambassadors held their noses, and history almost folded. Curiosity rewarded, here comes the twist: history can be hilariously tiny.